How to make a YouTube playlist on phone. It's pretty simple and a quick process. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application YouTube. Search for any of the specific video that you want to save as your playlist. Once you're in the video, tap on this three dot icon and then click on Save to Playlist. Tap on New Playlist right over here. And then you have to give a title to your playlist. Change the visibility as per your need. Once done, tap on Create and then you'll be good to go. In order to view the playlist, tap on New at the bottom right corner and then tap on View All. In this page, you will be able to see all of the playlists that you have made on YouTube. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.